right, so I am here going to create the SHEIN the email address now. So I created it already on my phone, so I'm going to input the email right now, because sometimes you will create it here and then it asks for a Jamaican number to verify the email address and the phone number, to verify the phone number. And if you use a number more than 1 or 2 times, it will ask for a different number. So I created it already on the phone, so I'm going to input it right here now. Because I had so many emails already for other persons that are new users, you just want some name where you know, so don't laugh with this one that I created. All right, so I'm going to input the password off camera now. All right, so it's already so signing in now. So as I said, you always need a new account. If you're a new user, you have to have a new email address. All right, so I am setting accept. All right, so next what I'm going to do now, I'm going to install SHEIN right now. I'm going to install SHEIN. All right, so SHEIN installing. All right, so it's installing SHEIN now. So sorry for the noise in the background. The time hot and we can't deal with the heat here at this time, so I hope you guys are hearing me very clearly. So I'm going to open the app right now. Alright, so because I'm using the tablet this way, that is why it pop up like this, but I'm just going to continue and then I turn it around. So right here I select USA. Yeah, so select USA location X. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it around now so you can see it fully. Alright, so see, at least you can see the screen big here. So I select location as well, and that is if you're in Jamaica. Alright, because the new user work if you're in USA, I think Canada and UK, but you know we're in Jamaica, so it won't work. So we select USA. Alright, so select sign in, and I'm going to sign in with the email that I signed in on the main screen. Here it is. Alright, so the codes now, in terms of getting codes. Alright, so in terms of getting codes, you can get codes from TikTok. So here I am going to add a few items that I want to give SHEIN an idea that I might want as a free gift. So I like the Ulanzi products. I saw them, Ulanzi products, so I'm just going to search Ulanzi. Alright, and you can see they have these stuff that pops up. What I really want is a headband thingy that I saw, but guess what, I'm just going to add this lens kit. Once I add this, it should give me ideas of other stuff. Okay, I also need a photo lighting box, because I need to start taking some pictures of stuff that I'm going to sell. I have some stuff to sell, so I like this one over here, so I'm going to add this one. Alright, so it might not add these exact ones. Alright, so let me add it. Alright, so it might not add these. Add to cart. All right, so it might not give me these exact ones, but I'm just giving an idea of what I might get. All right, so sometime your Wi-Fi won't work, but sometimes your service work better. You can either get pick 4 or you can get allowance. You can get $50 allowance or pick 4. Any of the games give you either. So I'm going to enter the code. This code I've been using for weeks now. This code I've been using for weeks and it worked great. It normally gives me pick 4, so we're going to see what it gives me today. Alright, so sometimes you see a clap on or you see this screen pop up with a countdown. Sometimes you don't have to wait on the countdown. You can click get my free gifts, but I normally like to wait on the countdown. Alright, so it gives me the pick 4, pick 5, get 4 free. It now go turn around. Let me see if it will work like this, so you can see the screen better. Let me see it all look. Alright, so it now got something like so it better you can see it like this. Good. So it loads up like this, and like it tell you, so you get your 4 free gift and you pay for 1. So as you can see, you can start picking now. Okay, so SHEIN usually, let me show you some stuff. There are a lot of changes that happened recently. Normally up here where you see 4 pick, they used to have some categories like men, women, jewelry, home. You normally can select the category you need, but now they cut that out. You have to pick from this screen that you're seeing. So what I normally do, I normally scroll. I normally just scroll down to the bottom, because this page refresh once you select something, and I normally scroll to the bottom just to have an idea what it gives. So, oh, forget to show you these box here. Here is where you see the pick 4 items. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you add it to those box, and then the last item you pay for. I heard that if I select this item as the first pick free item, just selecting any random size, I'm not going to take this pick. Alright, I add it there. You know what else I think I should have done? I should have added the shipping address first, but I can do that in the meantime. Alright, so the page did not refresh, so we're going to go back up to the top of the page now. Alright, so we are scroll back up. Alright, this not bad too, you know. This not bad at all. This a Ulanzi, so we can grip it like a phone, and it have the light. Alright, I'm gonna select this just to show you. Good. I'm gonna delete back this. Alright, so you see the Ulanzi thing that I select it there. The page now refresh. Alright, I like that kit here too. That kit here is a kit where I have the mic, the tripod, and everything. I'm gonna take that kit here. You see the original price, $21. So when I pick it, 2. So I go see some I have 2 more for pick free. Alright, the thing is we don't want the screen to refresh, but you see when it reach the last pick, alright, I get this way there. Me get this way there. What else me need? Me not go have no use for this. Only free can have to pay for clear the things them. So I don't normally tell people say it's free because you still have to pay something. This scanning tool, me get it from my boyfriend, it's really good. It tell you like certain issue where the car have on the code and the problem and how to fix it. Yeah. Alright, so in the pick 4, I'm going to show you how the pick 4 work, you know. And then I'm going to show you how the allowance work. So this are the rotating one. I want this too. So like when I do my vlog, the man say it can spin, so I pick that. Alright, so pick. Alright, so the screen still not refresh, but you see when I go pick my last item, it go refresh to give me the shipping information for select. And I never want that. I should have select the shipping something already. Oh, I really wanted that something here now. I'm going to select it right now. I'm going to select it in a medium pick. Alright, so as you can see now, I pick the 4 items them. See there's $0. So I'm going to confirm my shipping address now. Alright, I'm going to confirm my shipping address and go back. But you see, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to put in my shipping address and come back. Just a second. So there are certain things in here I should have told you. Alright, this number put, so you're going to, yours should always be USA. You fill out your first name. Just put in some random number. Alright, and then I'm going to finish putting my rest of shipping location. Alright, so now I'm going to select the item now that I'm going to pay for. See the orange box there. Alright, good. Let's see how much. Alright, so you see, it not refreshed. So now I get $2 items to buy. See there, $2, $1, $2. Alright, so I go down to the $1 something because at $1 I want to pay. You know, on a bag of, let me see this, 10 pieces, this have for $3. No, I sure know the thing, so I select, oh, something did up here, so I did want, you know. Oh no, I did see something up here, I did want for my daughter. This, the $3 for this. Me buy that differently. I pick the $1 item, sure. See it here. Alright, so 12 pieces for $1. Alright, so now, see it there. So everything I get 100% are free. See it there? Everything free. The order would have come up to $76, you can see. Yes, all the shipping is free too. You're not paying nothing. Alright, so we're gonna check out now. See it there? $1 we are check out with. $1. The part now, you don't have to always, when you use a card, you can't use it back again. Alright, I'm gonna check here. $1.93. Alright, so I can't show you the card when I use because I don't know security purpose, the card details. But I show you one error when I get sometime. And this sometime happen when the card is new to a device. And also sometimes it just want you to pay through PayPal. So if you had your card to PayPal, it would be easier. So I show you the error when I click place order. Alright, so this is the error you get. Sorry, your payment has failed. Please try another payment method. So you can try PayPal, or if you have these other payment methods, you can try them. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to try my card and see if it works. I feel like my card I go refund though. So I have a risk me I take. I don't remember when I use my card. I don't remember when I used this card. So that I think. But I have to remember when I don't use a card, because if I don't use a card, it will go refund if the item them not ship also. So I'm going to try the card here. So I'm going to put in this and try now. Give me a second. So me get that error there, so I go switch and pay with PayPal in. Right, so it processing. Me can't show no up at top. Alright, use update, and then I see the screen here. No one wants to see the items are processing. All the items are processing. I only paid for this right here for $1.93. No, I'm going to show you everything. If it refund, I go show you. The reason why it will refund is because the card, me use a card recently. And if me use a card for another order recently, the system I got detected me no new customer card the card use already. So even if somebody do it as a new user and you lend them your card, them are no new user because your card use. You understand? So sometimes I go so and refresh, and if me see need refund, then me know say me have to do over back, or me have to go wait until my card them alright, then me do it. Me apply for one of the Lasco Gold card and one of the GK card. So those are 2 extra card that I can use in the meantime. So this is what it is saying processing. If it change to refund, I will update you guys, alright? But me normally just refresh, see it's a refund. See it there? Come use the card recently. Normally you would say processing and then you say in a few, but half an hour you say preparing, order preparing. So the order here no go through. Me just want to see it so this no go through. Alright, so this is how it look now when it processing. The order gone through, so you're not gonna see no refund or anything like that. So this is it. So after it finish process it, I'll go to the international preparing package. So when you reach a preparing package, I'll show you how it look when it's a preparing package. Alright guys, so you see it now. See it's saying international processing, processing international warehouse order preparing. So I got 2 of this karaoke system here. As you can see, I paid $0. I got the phone holder for the phone there, so $0. This is what I actually paid for $1.93. And I got this set here that I wanted, the AP set that I put over the head and stuff. So you see it there, all of that. Yeah. So all of that I get for the.
We gotta learn it first.
Yeah, so all of that, see there. So that's that.